Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading If I Could Give You Christmas, written by Lynn, Plourde, and illustrated by Jennifer L. Meyer. Please enjoy, and happy holidays. If I could give you Christmas. If I could give you Christmas, it would taste like the first falling snow flake. If I could give you Christmas, it would be the finest, piniest tree. If I could give you Christmas, it would be pops of red and green here, there, everywhere. If I could give you Christmas, it would sound like a choirs of chirping carolers. If I could give you Christmas, it would smell like lots and whiffs of gingerbread and cocoa. If I could give you Christmas, it would be stashing secret surprises. If I could give you Christmas, it would be gliding, snow white sliding. If I could give you Christmas, it would be wibbly wobbly skating on a pond. If I could give you Christmas, it would be greetings, friendly faces in the doorway. If I could give you Christmas, it would be a snuggly story time under a giant nightlight. If I could give you Christmas, it would be staying up extra late on Christmas Eve. If I could give you Christmas, it would be sharing the brightest twinkling star. If I could give you Christmas, it would be that trickly, tumbly feeling early on Christmas morning. If you could give me Christmas, there's something you should know. My favorite gifts at Christmas doesn't have a bow. Well, wasn't that a cute story? If I could give you Christmas, what would you want? Let me know in the comment box. If I could give you Christmas, I think I would give you guys more Christmas stories. I love the time of Christmas. It's an exciting time of the year, huh? Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Share it. If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel? Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading is over. Have a good one and happy holidays, everybody.